just got these ones here. Oh, I'm be unboxing them today, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Don't know what this one is. Well, I got these for Christmas. I took them out and I can unbox them. That comes with that. Right. Next we got a Gentex. Here's a different kind you can get. Here's the bag. We got the entire gym. Oh damn, that's complicated. Don't know what this is. What type this is. I'm gonna set this up. You can see the Gentex. I'm ready for that one to be sad. It's not one, so it might go up there, like right up there. And got other stuff in here for the Gentex. And that's it for today. If I sound different than I usually do, it's because I have a cold. So, if you could please like and subscribe, I would really like for you to do that. So, I'm not sure. See if I can find what type of Gentex. I think it's a Gentex Commander 3. I would believe it's smaller. That does not look small. Oh, I mean, no, never mind. Alright, well, that's it for today. So thank you for watching. Bye.